Hello friends, myself Ajay Ignat Chaudhary and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 2nd April 2022 and this is a real video for today's topic synchronization in Java. So introduction about synchronization in Java. Synchronization in Java is the capability to control the access of multiple threads or to any shared resources. In the multi-threading concept, multiple threads try to access the shared resources at time to produce insequent result. The synchronization is very necessary for reliable communication between threads. Why we use synchronization? Synchronization helps in preventing thread interference. Synchronization helps to prevent concurrency problems. Types of synchronization. There are two types of synchronization classified. First one is process synchronizing thread. In process synchronizing thread, the process is nothing but a program under execution. It returns independent, isolated from another process. The resources like memory and CPU time, etc., and allocated to the process by the operating system thread. Next one is system thread. Synchronization. In this, there is a two types. They are manually distributed. It's mutual exclusive. Mutex or a mutual exclusive helps only one thread to access the shared resources. It won't allow the accession of shared resources at the time. It can be achieved in the following ways. Synchronized method. In synchronized methods, block static, synchronized block static, synchronized. Second one is corporation. In that thread communication in Java, block concept in Java, synchronized mechanism developed by using the synchronized keywords in Java language. It is built on the top of the locking mechanism. This locking mechanism is taken care of Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM. This synchronization keyword is only applicable for methods and block. It can't apply to classes and variables. Synchronized keywords in Java is created. A block of code is known as a critical section. To enter into the critical section, thread needs to obtain the corresponding object logs. Java synchronized methods. If we use the synchronized keyword in Java, in any method, that methods its synchronized method. It is used to lock an object for any shared resources. The object gets the lock when the synchronized the lock won't release until the thread completes its function. Synchronized block. Suppose you won't want to synchronize the entire method. You want to synchronize few lines of code in this method. When the synchronized blocks helps to synchronize those few lines of code, it will take the object as a parameter. It will work the same as a synchronized method. In this case of synchronized method, log access is the method, but in the case of synchronized log access is one of the object. Static synchronization in Java, every object has a single log, that is monitor associated with it. The thread which is entering into the synchronized method or synchronized block will get the block, and all the other threads which are remaining to use to share the resources have wait for a completion of a first thread and release of the block. And suppose in the case of where we have more than one object, in this case we have two separated thread will acquire the lock and entire into the synchronized block or the synchronized methods with the separated lock of which object at the same time. To avoid this, we will use a static synchronization. So this is the synchronization topic today. We have discussed all the synchronization object methods and how does synchronization just work. So thank you for watching my video.